This is a classic sweet yeast bread, soft, fluffy, and perfect for French toast, sandwiches, or warm with butter. Think Portuguese sweet bread meets the ultimate dinner roll. We'll make it step by step with simple pantry ingredients. The only must: treat your yeast right. Use a mixer or your hands. Both work. Bring butter and eggs to room temp for the fluffiest crumb. Milk, 1 cup, warm, about 110 degrees C or 43 degrees C. Sugar, 2 cup. Add a bit more if you like it sweeter. Yeast, 1 packet, that's 2 and 1 to 4 teaspoons active dry. Butter, 1.2 cup, softened. Eggs, 2 large, room temperature. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Flour, 4 to 4 and 1.2 cups. AP for tender, bread flour for more chew. Egg wash, 1 egg beaten with 1 tablespoon water. Step 1. In a large bowl, add the warm milk. Stir in 1 tablespoon sugar and the yeast. Let it sit 5 to 10 minutes until foamy. No foam? The milk may be too hot, or the yeast is old. Aim for warm bath water, about 110 degrees, not hot. Once it's active, you're ready to mix. Add the rest of the sugar. Drop in the softened butter. Add 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix until smooth and homogeneous. Add flour a cup at a time. Keep it gradual to avoid lumps. After about 3 cups, it'll look shaggy. By 4 cups, you should have a rough dough. If using a mixer, knead on low-medium now. If too sticky, add flour a tablespoon at a time. Aim for soft and slightly tacky. It should hold together without tearing. Time to knead. Step 3. Knead 8 to 10 minutes by hand. Push forward, fold back, rotate a quarter turn. If it sticks, dust sparingly. Avoid a dry dough. In a mixer, knead until it pulls away from the bowl. You're building gluten for structure and lift. Do the window pane test. Stretch until light shines through. If it tears, knead a bit longer and test again. Form a smooth, tight ball. It should be elastic and springy. Keep extra flour minimal for a tender crumb. This web is what traps steam for that fluffy rise. Ready for the first rise. A tight skin helps it rise evenly. On to proofing. Step 4. Lightly oil a clean bowl. Place the dough in and turn to coat. Cover with a damp cloth or plastic wrap. Proof in a warm, draft-free spot. Let it rise 1 and 1/2 to 2 hours until doubled. If an indentation stays, it's ready. Look at that lift. Step 5. Punch down to release air. We'll shape next. Loaf or rolls. Have a bench scraper handy. For a loaf, press into a rectangle. Roll tightly. Seal the seam. Nestle it into a greased 9 by 5 pan. For rolls, divide into 12 to 15 equal pieces. Roll each into a tight ball. Place them in a greased baking dish. Cover again for the second rise. Find a warm spot. Inside the oven with the light on works. Let rise 45 to 60 minutes. They should look billowy and light. Meanwhile, preheat to 350 degrees or 175 degrees CC. Make a quick egg wash for shine. Brush gently over the loaf, and over each roll for a golden crust. They should jiggle softly when nudged. Place on the center rack for even baking. Confirm temperature is steady. Time to bake. Bake rolls 25 to 30 minutes. Bake a loaf 35 to 40 minutes. Look for deep golden brown. Internal temp around 190 to 195 degrees is perfect. Or tap the bottom. It should sound hollow. Rolls should feel light for their size. Cool on a wire rack to keep bottoms crisp. Optional. A little butter for extra sheen. Let it rest 20 minutes before slicing a loaf. Rolls can be enjoyed warm right away. Butter meets warm crumb. Unbeatable. 2 shapes, same irresistible bread. Tip: if milk is above 120 degrees, it can kill yeast. If it doesn't foam, start over with fresh yeast. Window pane means you've kneaded enough. Aim for tacky, not sticky. A warm oven with the light on is a great proof box. Store airtight or freeze slices for later. It makes killer French toast or the softest sandwich bread. But honestly, warm with butter is perfection. If you bake this, drop a comment and subscribe for more cozy bakes.